A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now the ASX is expected to fall as Russia ups the ante on Ukraine. Yesterday at the closing bell, the S&P ASX 200 was 0.2% or 12 points higher at 7,234. The best performing sector yesterday was utilities, up 3.7%. The worst performing sector was the tech sector, down 2.7%. The best performing stock was the A2 Mill Company. Their shares closed 11.1% higher at $5.89. The worst performing stock was Tyro Payments. Their shares closed 25.9% lower at $1.61. Looking to some business news from this morning, and Estia Health, one of Australia's largest residential aged care providers, reports an $8.1 million net loss after tax. EBITDA is at $33.5 million for the half year ending 31st of December 2021, compared with $20.2 million for the corresponding period in 2020. A fully franked interim dividend of 2.35 cents per share was declared by the board. Group occupancy during the period was 92.6%. Moving on, and lottery giant Jumbo Interactive report continued strength of the lottery retailing segment, underpinned by an improved jackpot cycle and increased customer activity. The emerging software as a service and managed services segments also made a significant contribution to the 41% growth in group total transaction value. For the first half of financial year 2022, revenue is up 29% to $52.8 million. Underlying NPAT is up 18% to $16.5 million. They announced a fully franked interim dividend up 22% to 22 cents per share. And the Coles Group report sales revenue growth of just 1% to $20.6 billion in the first half of 2022. Two-year sales growth of 8.6% in supermarkets, 18.2% in liquor and 1.1% in express. The company saw strong Christmas period growth in supermarkets and liquor segments. Now the liquor e-commerce sales growth of 60% was supported by the opening of a fourth e-commerce dark store in New South Wales. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Wall Street was closed overnight, and that was due to the President Day holiday in the US. European indices finished lower, with the FTSE falling 0.4% and the Stoxx 600 and DAX falling 1.3% and 2.1% respectively. Concerns around Russia-Ukraine continue to weigh on the markets, with reports of escalating violence in eastern Ukraine. Flash PMIs were higher, with Germany and France PMI both higher than expected, while UK PMIs were also strong. Over in the UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson stated plans to end COVID rules. Looking to commodities, and gold rose to $1,906 and Brent crude rose 3.3% to $96.63 a barrel. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has held its ground and is trading at $38,300 at 8:30 this morning, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Now have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.